hundreds of SKUs and pallets, selectors, loaders, and forklifts. What an untrained eye may describe as chaotic or a series of moving individuals and machines, veterans of the distribution industry see as orchestrated harmony. Coordinating product receipt and shipment, as well as touch point in between, is key for efficient supply chain operations. For Martin Brower, that orchestra is conducted by our WMS, or Warehouse Management System, from Manhattan Associates. WMS directs the warehouse activities in order to enhance picking accuracy, load accuracy, on-time dispatch, and to secure product traceability. All key metrics in measuring a distribution center's efficiency and compliance. Welcome to the life of a case in a Martin Brower distribution center using WMS. First, a vendor will send Martin Brower an advanced shipment notification, or ASN. This identifies the product to be received at the warehouse and the estimated date and time of the product's arrival. It also includes a plethora of data for the warehouse: SKU number, lot number, expiration dates, and quantity on the pallet. The ASN should always be in the warehouse's hands prior to product arriving at the loading dock. If the warehouse does not receive the ASN, Martin Brower will create one at the time of receiving. Now the product arrives at the docks, and Martin Brower begins the receiving process, which starts with Quality Inspection Process, or QIP. We pull the ASN and identify what we should be receiving. Okay, all is good there. We inspect the product and trailer for any irregularity prior to receiving the product systematically. This information is then entered into a radio frequency, or RF gun. Once the product has been inspected, we perform inventory counts on the RF gun and apply an inbound license plate number, or ILPN label, to the bottom right-hand corner of the pallet on two sides. This ILPN stays with the product for the duration of its time in the warehouse. This allows Martin Brower to systematically track every location that the product has been while at the warehouse. This is especially important in the event of any additional product inspection. Once an ILPN sticker is applied, the product is scanned everywhere it goes from this point forward. Product is then put away to a location that has a barcode attached. The warehouse employee scans the ILPN label and scans the location barcode to marry the two together. Product now resides in that location. So, now we have a customer's order in hand, and inventory is reserved for the order. Our warehouse picker will be directed to the proper location to select the required product by way of a voice command system, VoCollect. Once at the proper location, the selector will be required to call out a check digit that helps validate that ILPN he or she is pulling from is in fact the proper location and product that should be picked for the customer order. Once validated, the selector picks the product and moves on to the next product on the order using the same process. Once our selector completes the item selection or picking process, the product is ready for loading. A warehouse employee will validate that the order is correct with a visual inspection and then apply an outbound license plate number, or OLPN, to the cart or pallet that has been built. That product is then scanned to a trailer with a barcode that is located on the dock door where the trailer is set for loading. That product is now traced to that trailer at that dock door. Trailer is loaded and the driver is set to make his deliveries. The WMS system eliminates the need for the manual checking in of product at the restaurant, saving the restaurant time and allowing for our drivers to get off the lot quickly. There, from the time the product entered the warehouse to its delivery to a customer, Martin Brower was able to trace a product's entire life through our system. Martin Brower's WMS system makes that happen. And the results are obvious. Shipment accuracy goes up, inventory accuracy goes up, customer confidence goes up, improved visibility to supply chain, and more automated controls for inventory management.